Summary of the Psychology of Money. The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel is a book that explores how people think about and manage money. The author explains that money is not just about numbers, but also about emotions, behaviors, and habits. It's how our thoughts, experiences, and decisions shape the way we view and use money. Here's a simple summary of the main ideas. 1. Different experiences with money. Each person has unique experiences with money. These experiences are shaped by family, culture, and life events, influencing how we make financial decisions. For example, someone who grew up in a rich family might see money differently than someone who struggled financially. Our past shapes how we think about spending, saving, and investing. 2. The importance of saving. Saving money is crucial. It gives you financial security and freedom in the future. Many think you need a lot of money to be rich, but saving is more important. You don't need to earn a huge salary to build wealth. Saving small amounts regularly can make a big difference. Spend less than you earn and save the rest. 3. Time is powerful. Time is your best friend when it comes to building wealth. If you start saving and investing early, your money will grow over time. The longer you leave it invested, the more it can grow due to interest or returns. The book uses compounding to explain how small amounts can become larger over time. Start early to benefit from this growth. 4. Luck and risk. Luck and risk play big roles in how people make money. Some people become wealthy because of luck, while others face bad luck. Luck can help you succeed, but it can also cause problems. Risk is also part of life. Be cautious with risks and avoid unnecessary ones. 5. The value of contentment. True happiness comes from being content with what you have. Many people are always chasing more money, but being satisfied with what you already have is key. Money can make life comfortable, but it doesn't guarantee happiness. Being content with enough is more important than chasing endless wealth. 6. Avoid comparison. Don't compare yourself to others. It's easy to see what others have, but this can make you feel like you need more. Comparing yourself to others often leads to stress and unhappiness. Everyone's journey is different, and money doesn't define success. Focus on your goals and be happy with your choices. 7. Emotional decisions. People often make financial decisions based on emotions rather than logic. Fear, greed, and excitement can lead to poor choices. For example, when the stock market goes down, people panic and sell their investments. But when it goes up, they get excited and buy more. Stay calm and make decisions based on careful thought, not emotions. 8. The power of habits. Good habits are key in managing money. Small everyday actions can make a big difference. Consistently saving money, avoiding debt, and investing wisely will help you build wealth over time. It's not about one big decision, but making good choices regularly. 9. Avoiding mistakes. Mistakes are part of life, but it's important to learn from them. People often make mistakes by focusing on short-term goals instead of planning for the future. Avoid financial mistakes, like spending more than you earn, taking on too much debt, or trying to get rich quickly. Building wealth takes time. Be patient and avoid wanting fast results. The best way to build wealth is by making smart decisions over many years. Be patient with your financial journey and trust the process. 11. Wealth is often invisible. Wealth is often hidden. People who seem rich by showing off expensive cars or houses may actually be in debt. True wealth is the money that people save and invest, not what they show off. Wealth is about having enough money for a comfortable future, not about flashy possessions. 12. The journey matters too. Success is not just about how much money you make, but also about how you manage money along the way. The book encourages readers to focus on enjoying the process of making smart choices, learning about finances, and being patient. Success is about the journey, not just the end goal. Conclusion: the psychology of money teaches us that how we think about money is just as important as how we use it. Saving, being patient, avoiding emotional decisions, and focusing on long-term goals help us build wealth and live a fulfilling life. Everyone's financial journey is different, but understanding our emotions and making smart choices will improve our relationship with money and create a better future.